Building a website for your fashion brand. Welcome to the lecture of our Creating a Strong Online Presence module. In this lecture, we will be discussing the importance of having a website for your fashion brand and how to set one up. At the end of this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of the steps involved in building a website for your fashion brand and the key elements that should be included. Additionally, you will learn about the benefits of listing your collections on www.bulbfasion.com first and foremost. Having a website for your fashion brand is essential in today's digital age. A website is often the first point of contact potential customers will have with your brand, and it's important that it makes a good impression. A website allows your brand to have a 24/7 online presence and can be used to showcase your products, share information about your brand, and engage with your target audience. To set up a website for your fashion brand, you can use website builders such as Wix, Weebly, or Shopify to design and build your website. Additionally, you can also list your collections on www.bulbfasion.com. By registering your account and clicking on the List Collections button on the homepage, you can easily navigate to the Product section to list your collections. This platform is specifically designed for fashion brands and offers a user-friendly interface, easy navigation, and a wide range of features to help you showcase and sell your products. When listing your collections on www.bulbfasion.com, you can take advantage of features such as product listing. You can create detailed listings for each of your products, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Order management, you can easily manage and track orders, update stock levels, and process payments. Marketing tools, you can use the platform's built-in marketing tools to promote your products and increase visibility. When designing your website, it's important to keep in mind the following key elements. Navigation, make sure your website is easy to navigate so that potential customers can find what they're looking for quickly. Branding, your website should reflect your brand's identity and messaging. Product showcase, your website should showcase your products in an attractive and engaging way. Contact information, make sure to include contact information so that potential customers can get in touch with you. After you have set up your website, it's important to test it and make sure it's fully functional before launching it. This includes checking that all links are working, that the website is mobile friendly, and that the checkout process is secure. That's all for this lecture on building a website for your fashion brand. In the next lecture, we will discuss product photography and presentation. They can also use a website builder to design and set up a website for their brand. Additionally, you can register an account on www.bulbfasion.com, list your collections, and explore our platform's features. You can then test your store out and make sure it's fully functional before launching your live products for sale or rental. By the end of this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of the steps involved in building a website for your fashion brand and the key elements that should be included. You will also have a solid foundation to start building your own website for your fashion brand, as well as knowledge on how to list your collections on www.bulbfasion.com and take advantage of its features. As a reminder, this exercise is for your own study and practice, not to be submitted for correction. It will give you the opportunity to apply the concepts learned in the lecture and gain hands-on experience in setting up your store for your fashion brand, as well as listing your collections on an e-commerce platform like www.bulbfasion.com. Please note that this is just one lecture, and there would be more lectures to cover the other aspects of creating a strong online presence for a fashion brand.